Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin with the essentials: a data-capable USB cable and your phone unlocked. Once connected, Windows 7 will try to detect network hardware. Make sure the phone is set to USB tethering in its settings. If the phone prompts for a connection type, pick USB tethering or internet sharing. You do this now so Windows can enumerate the device and search for drivers. If drivers are needed, let Windows search automatically. Otherwise, proceed to the network and sharing steps described next. Once the phone is recognized, open Network and Sharing Center and go to change adapter settings. You should see a new adapter labeled with your phone or remote NDIS-based internet sharing device. Right-click it and select Properties to confirm IP4 uses obtain an IP address automatically. If you need manual settings, enter the IP and DNS provided by your network, but typically DHCP works. Also make sure the adapter is enabled and not listed under disabled devices. To finish, open your browser and verify pages load. If you do not have internet, disable and re-enable the tethering adapter or unplug and reconnect the USB cable. Make sure Windows installed the correct driver. If not, download the OEM driver and reinstall. If problems persist, try a different USB port or cable and ensure phone battery saver or data restricting apps are off. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the phone's drivers and reboot both devices. This resolves most connection detection errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.